Hello, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I just want to talk about um, for those of you that have been asking if the same process I put on how to make research on profitable topics on study guide, if you can actually apply that same method in travel guide, yeah, you can still apply that same method by just clicking on your new release or bestsellers, either you use new release or your bestsellers to check profitable topic on your travel guide. It's still same thing. You can click, okay, if you don't want to go to here, you can click bestsellers from here or new release from here. Then it will load. Make sure you don't use your country. For those of you that are on some part of country that are not acceptable, make sure you don't use your country. At least change your country location from here. Instead of deliver to your country, put it to deliver to any US country, Europe country. So come down after clicking on new release, you click on books. For those of you on travel guide niche, that's what I'm saying now. So scroll down to travel guide niche. Okay, this travel guide niche, and here that these are the new release. Let's see the dates that they were released. Okay, this one was released August 19, 2025. Oh, is it will be released or released? Let's check the product details. Okay, publication date will be August 19th. Okay, maybe this one have not yet been published. It to be available from August 19th. Okay, so let's check the ones that are newly released. Let's check this. This one was released July 15th. That is last week Tuesday. Let's see, 160 pages, and BSR is 1000. Well, this is a profitable niche. Okay, let's see which country is this. This one is to draw your adventure, making art to celebrate everyday experience and travel near. Well, let's see which country did you talk about. Okay, I think this one basically talks about, since mentioned here and for, maybe basically talked about the continent or even the world. Okay, so let's find the one that talks on a specific place. Look at this one. This one is Canada, and it was released June 27th. She was the BSR, 7000 BSR, 7000 BSR. Which other country? Okay, this one is Nova, Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia, this one is London. This one is Fudia, Japan. Fudia is then Shada, Japan. Okay, so you can still niche down under the country you want to write. Maybe Europe. Let's come to Europe. Countries under Europe. Okay, see these countries. See this one talked about London. This one talked about Switzerland. This one talked about Scotland. This one talked about Sardinia. Sardinia. Okay, based on how you pronounce it. This one talk about Majolin. Okay, I think this one is maybe, let's see. This one might be a city or a state in a country. Okay, that is the name of an author. That is the name of the author. Okay, this one talk about Rome. This one talk about Albania. This one Germany. This one Portugal. This one I don't know that country, but it's coming up. So you see Amsterdam. I think this Amsterdam is in Netherlands. I think Netherlands. Amsterdam. Mm, Amsterdam is in Netherlands. So you see, you can also still niche down to cities, maybe Europe. As you have selected Europe, these are the Europe countries. At least if I'm the one, I can pick two countries here. Maybe you see Switzerland, see Rome. That's if you want to write on countries, you can still do for further research. Yeah, but I'm just giving you for instance. But if you still want to niche down, you can come to maybe you want to niche down to Germany, or you want to niche down to which country are we to use? Switzerland, or you want to niche down to Italy? Oh, okay, let's use Italy for instance. Check my network is becoming slow. Okay, this Italy. Rome is in Italy. Venice is in Italy. Okay, I think so. You can still niche down. You can continue niching down. You see, there's the Florence, Milan, Naples, Rome, Sardinia, Sicily. Okay, you see any of these states in Italy are also good. Can still continue niching down. Now we are in city from continent to country, from country to states. From states you can still niche down to cities and town. So that's how you keep going. So not just that you come here and write on all of this, but to go and select among the profitable ones. So let's check on the bestsellers rank of this. Okay, this one is 33,000. See, this one is still below 100,000. So I think it's still good. And the pages, okay, 285 pages. I think it's still good. So for those of you in travel guide niche, you can follow this method to find a profitable site. Yeah, but some other people do go extra length in having extra tools, paid tools that help them in doing research. That is, those ones are not for starters, but as a starter, you can start with this particular method. Okay, thank you and see you in my next video.